Imagine stepping into a home where spring sunlight revives Georgian elegance, every symmetric room a breath of timeless joy. What if your space could feel this alive? Sunlight dances across the entrance hall, wrapping you in a gentle, timeless embrace. Feel the soft glow on pale ivory walls, whispering serenity as polished oak floors gleam underfoot. It's like stepping into spring's quiet promise, balanced, airy, open-hearted. Every angle invites pause, reflection. Your soul sighs here, perfectly mirrored in symmetry's calm rhythm. Breathe deep in the living room's sunlit haven, where light caresses cream walls like a fond memory. Warmth seeps from the marble hearth. Floors invite bare feet to wander. It's cozy yet grand, a nest for laughter and lazy afternoons. Spring's brightness lifts your spirit, symmetry holding you in effortless peace. The dining room glows with morning light, turning meals into celebrations of light and shadow play. Ivory panels hug you softly. Oak floors ground every step in quiet luxury. Feel the balance settle your heart, symmetrical joy. It's where stories unfold over shared glances, spring air freshening every breath. sun pours into the kitchen, making it feel alive, welcoming, like a sunbeam-kissed heartbeat. Cream walls reflect warmth, smooth oak underfoot whispers comfort. Symmetry in every counter invites easy rhythms, chopping, stirring, dreaming. It's pure delight, where spring's energy sparks simple magic in your daily dance. Drift into the master bedroom, where soft sun filters like a lover's whisper on pale green walls. Canopy drapes sway gently. Oak floors cradle your steps in hush. Symmetry cradles sleep's deep peace. It's your sanctuary, blooming with spring calm, restful, intimate, endlessly soothing. Guest bedroom light streams bright, folding you into balanced comfort like an old friend's hug. Ivory walls glow tenderly. Oak floors feel familiar, inviting. Twin havens promise sweet dreams under spring's watchful eye. It's restful magic, symmetrical serenity wrapping every visitor in quiet joy. Library daylight wraps you in thoughtful hush, cream panels glowing like old pages turned. Oak floors muffle steps to whispers. Symmetry steadies your mind. Spring air carries ideas on sunbeams, reflective, alive. Sink into winged chairs. Feel wisdom bloom in this cozy, balanced retreat. Symmetry and spring light transform classic beauty into everyday poetry. Let this vision inspire your home to balance form, light, and soul effortlessly.